Let's help you move faster. Meet your own digital assistant. Zoho RPA. Zoho RPA is robotic process automation software to create software bots that automate high-volume repetitive tasks. These bots interact with the UI of any application, just like humans, to automate processes in an auditable, error-free, and reliable manner. Run automation at a huge scale and multiply the productivity of your business processes with just one digital assistant. As you focus on scaling your core business, who's going to take care of your HR processes, lead enrichment, email ticket management, and more? Zoho RPA will. Automation meets design with Zoho RPA's intuitive user interface, ensuring ease of use and a frictionless experience. Automate outdated legacy applications on your Windows systems. Smoothly click, navigate, extract data, and fill in forms within seconds. Create, read, update, and delete Excel records hassle-free. Organize and effortlessly manage your data by creating folders and copying and moving files in folders. Zoho RPA caters to thousands of use cases: BFSI, IT, manufacturing, healthcare, and almost any other industry or department. We've got you and your business processes covered with efficiency, speed, and security. We don't want you to lose any time while you work. So Zoho RPA works right beside you.